Wow, it's super hot these days. I know. Would you like a nice cold drink? How about a watermelon smoothie? It's full of antioxidants and vitamins. It's perfect for a day like this. Let's see the ingredients that we will need. 350 grams of watermelon without the seeds, 3 mint leaves, 1 spoonful of lemon juice, 1 cold glass of soy milk, 1 natural yogurt, 1 glass of crushed ice. These are the tools we will need. A knife, a juicer, a mixer, a glass, and a straw. Now that we've got everything, let's begin. First, we cut the watermelon into pieces. Ask an adult to help. After that, we chop up the 3 mint leaves. Carefully, don't cut yourself. We've also got to use the juicer to get some lemon juice. We put the watermelon into the mixer along with the mint leaves, lemon juice, a glass of soy milk, and the yogurt. Mix it all together. Once we've got it all, we add the crushed ice. We can decorate it even more if we put a little piece of watermelon and a straw. It looks amazing. Let's give it a try. Yum! It's so tasty. Very healthy and refreshing. Much better. Time to share it with some friends. Bye! Did you like the watermelon smoothie? Write down a comment if you did. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel by clicking on the seal. If you want to watch more videos, click on the windows.